Okay, hey. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to go on Canva. So it's pretty easy. How to connect on the website. So you just do canva.com and you write it. Okay, so basically here you create your account. Don't worry, it's not difficult. If you don't know how to create an account, well, you're stupid. Uh, I'm just, I'm just, I'm just gonna connect on mine, and I'm gonna show you guys how to log in, because that's the instruction. So I'm gonna write my email. Okay, so here I put my email. That I don't want you guys to see. Already, shut up. Already. Okay, so I put my email on my account. So if I remember my password, okay, I'm gonna find back my password. I come back after. Okay, so here we go. I find back my password. So I'm gonna tap my email. My password is already in. And you just put ingresa and you're in. See, that's pretty easy. Okay guys, so sorry if it's gonna be kind of noisy, but I have people. Okay, so an infographic, guys, it's so basically it's just like 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 an affix or like a poster, of a story or of a theory or of something you want people to know. And like it's just like a poster for people to know what do you want to say. So I mean, this is infographic that I made to clean our school. See, that's an infographic. It's an information you want people to know, and so, but in an easy way. So you don't put that much text, and yeah, you put it in an easy way. Okay, what are the parts of an infographic? So basically, in an infographic, we have the title. So first we have the title, then we have the text, and then we have the name. But basically, it's like the head, the body, and the foot. So basically, us we just put in title this. I mean, we have the information in the middle always. So the information is the body. The head, well, it's the name of the people that created it. And here down, it's the feet of basically the enterprise, where it come from. So here it comes from the new school because we're talking about the school. Here's the text that readers can read. And here's our name. That's an infographic and report. How to create an infographic? Okay, well, that's basically easy. So I'm gonna show you how to create one on this. So crear un diseño. That's easy. Already shut up, please. So you go, just you choose one if you want to post on Instagram. Oh, that's cool. Alright. Okay, we're gonna do like a poster, infographic. We're gonna do one about huskies, cause I like huskies. So here you just choose so you just choose like a background. You can also take one of yours. So look. Okay, I choose my background. So basically now we just you just put it in the computer. Okay, I put it in the computer as you can see here. So now that's basically really easy. You need to wait that it's logged. So okay, now that I already shut up, that I have the picture download, well, we just put it in, and well, that's how I do my backgrounds. I mean, you pivot it and you put it in big. I want basically the eyes because they're really beautiful. Okay, that's all. That's the background. Okay, now how to add text. So I'm gonna put the term. So you just take one here, you go on the text, you erase it, and you say, Huskies. So you put basically the title of what you're gonna say. This was Sophia, if you heard it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it at the top of my page. Okay, so you need to take a title that people can easily look at, because well after it's not like easy readable. I don't know if this word is existing, but but okay, no. Okay, like here I need like a light color, but not too much. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you what happened right now. Is that with the background I cannot put any color because the eyes it's like really light, so we can see the letters on it, and the side it's dark. So I'm gonna choose a background from here because yeah, I'm too lazy to find one. So I just need to take one. Oh, let's search huskies in this. That's intelligent. Oh, I like this one. Okay, we're gonna put this one, guys. Okay. Hey, so shut up. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so sorry if it's gonna be like a lot noisy. So basically, I took a picture that I'm gonna put like on the background, like this, cause I like it. Okay, so here I put my background, and we can see that now we see really good the husky. I mean, not the husky, the title. So you see that's pretty easy, yeah. And I don't have time anymore. Okay, so that's the title. Now we're gonna put just an information about huskies. Okay, the next thing I need to show you guys is how to add an icon. No. So basically you just go on this and you just choose one, like iconos. You go on iconos and you wait. Okay, you see here I'm on icons. Basically, like I search huskies here, you can still put a husky icons. I'm gonna put this one. That's funny. You just put it little and you put it here like this. It's an icon. And yeah, that's cool. The next question is how to change the background color. So here, I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, here it's white, you see? And if you wanna change it, well, you just go here, just fondo. You go on fondo, and you search one, like whatever, the color you want. I think it's like this. I'm not sure, don't ask me. You search a color, you see you have a lot of colors. Oh, see, you go here, and if you want a different color of the one that I have here, you just go on here and you choose it. Like if you want a blue, a blue, a blue turquesa. Up. Okay, here we go. That's almost all. I'm not done. The last question is how to download it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it better, and I'm downloading it. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to put text. So it's you just go on texto on the título if you want this título. You click on it, double click up, and that's all. Okay, so as you see, I did my poster. So I'm done with it. So now I need to save it. I'm gonna show you guys how. But first of all, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So huskies are born to run, and I love running. Huskies don't get fatigued, so they can run like a lot, and they'll not be tired. Well, not a lot. They'll still be a little tired. That's normal. That's living. And they're like wolves. So I really like huskies and I want one, so I'm gonna show this to my mom. Okay, how to save it? Doesn't she speak? How save it, well, descargar. You just put it, yeah, impresión. Oh, ¿quieres que la marcas de agua? Entiendo. We don't care about this. Oh, okay. So here I used an elemental premium, so I'm just gonna delete it. Okay. So we do it again. Graduar tu diseño elemental. Okay, I'll call you after. Okay, as you see, it's here now. So just open it, and it's here. And normally, if you go in this documentos, descargas huskies, and you have it. Ta-da! That's all. Bye. See you later. Or maybe never. Oh, and it's saving alone. It's saving alone, so you don't need to worry about this. If you close your computer like this without saving it, well, it's saving alone, so don't worry about this. Bye. Just